Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn how to install the OpenIntro package in R. I'm using RStudio in POSIT Cloud, but these commands work the same way in R and RStudio installed on your local machines. In R, a package is a collection of functions, data, and documentation that extend the capabilities of R. Now let's see how to install a package in R. We will use the OpenIntro package as an example. This package is particularly useful for our course because it provides datasets and functions tailored for statistical analysis. First, open your RStudio or R console. Type the following command to install the OpenIntro package. Press run and R will download and install the package. This may take a few moments. Once installed, load the package using the library function. And that's it. The OpenIntro package is now ready to use. We will use this package throughout our course for homework, assignments, and quizzes. Now let's load a dataset from the OpenIntro package. For example, to load the Lone50 dataset, type the following command. You can view the dataset using view function in R. And here is Lone50 dataset, which contains 50 observations and 18 variables. To take a quick look at the first few rows of the dataset, use head function in R. This will show the first 6 rows of the dataset, giving you a glimpse of the data. And to understand the structure of the dataset, we use str function. This command provides a concise summary of the dataset, including the data types of each variable and the first few entries. And that's all for this video. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out. Thank you and happy coding.